My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called Kryopage. To be quite precise, this extension actually operates as a browser hijacker. This extension changes the default search engine of your browser into Bing. There is nothing wrong about Bing, but the trouble with this extension is that this particular extension is not related to Microsoft, and it is often spread through integration with many free programs. So in many cases, users download and install this extension absolutely unintentionally. Furthermore, this extension tries to make important decisions instead of users. So be very careful. Don't tolerate it. If this extension was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome, make sure you undertake the measures and get rid of any third-party extensions. So access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find anything suspicious here, get rid of it. I also recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and then start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.